The honourable member for Mount Royal.
Mr. Speaker, I rise to introduce legislation that would amend the State Immunity Act to allow Canadian victims of genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes and torture to seek justice in Canadian courts. At present, the Act immunizes foreign states and their officials from civil suits in such cases. Indeed, the current state of the law is such that Canadians can use Canadian courts to enforce commercial contracts with foreign governments, but not to seek redress for heinous crimes such as torture. Accordingly, the Supreme Court recently found that Iran could not be held accountable for the torture, sexual assault and murder of Canadian journalist Zahra Kazemi. The Court made it clear, however, that the power to remedy this injustice rests with Parliament, and I trust that honourable members will join together to exercise this responsibility. When I last introduced this bill in the 40th Parliament with the support of members of all parties, it never came to a vote. Given my place in the order of precedence, Mr. Speaker, that risks being the case once again. I therefore invite the government to adopt this legislation as its own so as to ensure that Canadian law no longer shields foreign states who commit horrific crimes against Canadians while securing justice for victims of such crimes. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.